Do you not believe me? Do a dance before. Oh, ah! There's two of me. Why is there two of me? Shh, shh, who? Ah, okay. Only one of me. That was spooky. I heard my own voice there for a moment. Ooh, ah. Sorry, I didn't do a dance. Here, I'll do a little. Best I can do. How's it going, everybody? Wow, there's so many of you. This is weird. I'm used to starting and there's just me. I like this. This is much better. How's everybody doing? Get jiggy with it. Yeah. Oh, interesting. That makes my mouth open up and close. All right. Whatever you say, tracking software. You guys want to make more games? Doing all right? That's good to hear. Also, hello again, Bass Boy. We were just somewhere else watching a different stream. Yeah. Super secret. I can't tell. You got games on your phone? Do you want more games on your phone? I can be that guy. I can put more games on your phone. Isn't that crazy? Hey guys, how do you feel about this panel? I feel pretty strongly about this panel. I like this panel. I also like this panel. There's so many good ones. I think this is my favorite though. I think this is what the game is gonna look like. Perfect for a counter. What about every button in the game? How are we feeling about it being good for that? Thoughts? Actually, I like this one a lot too. Add in progress. I just did an ad. Wait. Man. What? What do you mean add? Hang on. Hang on. Don't do that. Why? 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 Alright, well, sorry. I tried to game the system and run them while I was doing the setup so that it wouldn't have ads during the main. Yeah. Oh, ad break ended, your community's back. Wow, thank you, Twitch. Apparently you cannot game the system by loading up a bunch of ads before the stream actually goes live. Well, dang. There goes that strategy, huh? I thought I was being so smart with that. Well, that sucks. Oh well. Yeah, I like this one. What is this? 3? Give me that. Copy. Projects. Godot. Assets. Sprites. Paste it in. We're gonna call this chop background. Or how about modal? Can? I thought I did, but it still did another ad for some reason. I was being genius mode. Now it says I literally can't run another one because it says you just ran one. You must wait, which I didn't do that. You did that. Why are you being mean about it? Huh? Panel Killjoy does them in between games to avoid in-game ads. Oh, interesting. Using the pretty sprites today? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're getting rid of my homemade GIMP ones and actually using some real sprites. As nice as my hastily made box is, just it's not quite what I'm going for. We'll switch it up. That looks a lot worse. Oh. That's not good. Wait. This has to do with the import on the sprite. There's something, Hey Shaka, how's it going? How you doing? How you doing? Let me pull up, the old Google. There's something with this importing sprites in Godot. Blurry. There's a setting to make this not happen. Everyone finds this in Godot 3. Next to the inspector tab, there's an import tab. Click on the tab, select the sprite from your asset library. Should have 2D pixel. Or import. No? Sprite? Material? Maybe? There's a thing. Go to visibility. Oh, really? And then what? Did it play yesterday? I just woke up. Almost forgot it's time for strat. Dude, I also I could not sleep last night for some reason, and I just didn't sleep till like 3 or 4 a.m. I've been very tired today. Go to texture, select, inherit. Oh, wait. There we go. Yeah. Oh, nice. Thank you, Beans. I appreciate it. Hey, just like one tap that. Hello, everyone. This is your daily dose of games on your phone. You got games on your phone. Check nearest map map. Nearest, yeah. Oh, nearest map map. Cool. This looks very janky. Actually, maybe this isn't what I want, because I'm thinking about this now. Am I trying to register in Twitch? Yeah, come on over to Twitch. That's YouTube is just a click funnel for Twitch. Hey. This doesn't look very good scaled up like this. I need to like make the lines thinner. Maybe this is actually fine, and instead we just do the buttons. We just make the buttons look nicer. Maybe it's kind of Undertale vibes, you know? Posted Rick can't remember the difference. I didn't even know there was a different. This is the first time I've ever seen it, so no worries. You made it not blurry. You do double border. That's interesting. Wait. You might be onto something here. Do something like, oh, and then you give them a little, yeah, whoa. UI master. Also, my music is a little loud. There we go. Does this look better, you think? Maybe even like more pressed in? This? I like that. It's not bad. Yeah. Oh god, the spaghetti or meat question. It's gotta be spaghetti, right? Like, meat's good, but it's not. It's no spaghetti. Like, you do so much with spaghetti. Yeah, it's clear. I mean, it's not even close, right? I mean, just like, what's the thing where it's like shrimp in spaghetti? Shrimp scampi? There you go. All the joys of eating meat except it tastes better and you get spaghetti. Literally, like, yeah, only meat. Exactly. So whatever. Ugh, boring. Spaghetti's in the lead 2 to 3. It's a good question, but I'm so okay with not eating meat ever again, you know? It's fine. Drop icon. Sprite 2D. How about this one? We just switch it out. Yeah. Nearest. Wait. Nearest map. I could do something like this. Maybe this thing just kind of sucks for buttons. Yeah, that's a little extra there, guy. A little extra. I don't like this one. We're gonna go find a new one. Yeah. Yeah. This one, maybe. Wanna try this one? Waffles or pancakes? I think I go waffles. Because again, you just have like... Can I call a third option and say French toast? I feel like that's in the same vein of that question. Depends. That's also... that's just a good answer to everything. Maybe this one. Let's try this one. I like this one. Wink. Just testing stuff out. I'll just drop these all in here. Something like this. What's this look? don't mind this. I don't hate it. But look when it like comes up in the game. It looks better than like just the random white box. I like this. I like this one. I want to look at the other one too though. This one. Panel border 01. What you look like? Nah, that ain't it. I like this one better. French pancakes? Eh? Like a crepe? I love crepes. Japan has really good crepes. Yeah, there we go. I think I like the double border too. The other one is simpler though. Huh. I'm gonna switch the other spray with this one too. Yeah. Gonna make it the same size. Not you, you goon. Right, get this. Oh wait, that word doesn't mean. That word means something different now. Alright, yoink this over here. Same thing. Nearest. I bet there's a way to do this project wide, hey? But it's too advanced for me. I got small brain. I got square brain. Alright. Alright, nope. Just this one, please. Something like this. Seems pretty good to me. One down. Are these really not gonna line up? Ugh. It's so close, but it doesn't line up. Why? I need to do like a half step up. Can I do that? Can I do like 0.5? That's action. 0.5? Good enough. How's it look? Better. It's a little too close to the actual like aiming thing. Right, looks so cool. They remind you of Undertale. Great, excellent. That's very high praise. I love that game, dude. I was watching the I don't know if you guys have been watching HDQ much, but there was an Undertale speedrun yesterday. It was very, very good. It was a glitchless category, which is always an interesting thing in a speedrun because I feel like glitches are the whole point. Right? We're supposed to be breaking the game here, no? But good. There's a race. Don't remember who with, but very entertaining. Where's your transform? Position 832. I say 842. Up it by about 10 pixels, like that. How does that look? It's better? I think even a little bit more actually. Have I ever watched Steven Universe? I'm curious if it's my vibe. I have not, but I should. Because yeah, it seems like I don't know how I missed it when I was like growing up because I did everything else in the similar realm, right? Like I read Homestuck, I played Undertale, like it should have happened. I don't understand how I missed it. Definitely should though. I should watch that show. Been recommended to me a lot of times and I haven't got around to it. Sorry. I'll drop these even lower. 52. And 904. Is this gonna come back to bite me when I scale up resolutions? Probably. Alright, this works now. Cool. Okay. Now to make the buttons in here look nicer. How do we want these to look? So here's like the shop window, right? And we basically have to display the following information. Here's the thing you can buy, how much money it costs, and how much like money you have? No. Thing you can buy, how much money it costs, and like a button to actually buy it, right? But I need it to look good. You know what game is great? A great idle game? It's NGU Idle. Let's go look at what their UI does for them. I love this game. Where's like the buying stuff? If you haven't played this game, by the way, this is like one of the best idle games ever made. Okay, so they have something like this, where it's just the thing and then plus minus. Maybe that's what we do? You know this game? I love this game. This is seriously one of the best idle games I think ever made. I want to see the EXP screen though. Screen. You're making Buckshot roll up but in Scratch? Sick. Good luck. That sounds really complicated to do in Scratch. That's a lot of state change and stuff. No. Yeah, something like this. Like, I want to do this. Shop UI, game design. Someone help me. Oh god. Okay, something like this. Something closer to this, just not with gems. You liked it? Oh, it's so good, so good. It will keep you engaged for a very long time. That game, like, is endless. Yeah, let's do something like this. So we'll have, like, the name of the thing. So, for example, speed. What's they have? We'll have, like, the buy button right here. And then we need the cost of the thing, too. We can say, like, where should I put it here? Like 100 or something? Something like this? I think something like this. We can have a different box for each one. Here it'll say buy. And then I think the way we can do this is if you have the money, the button is enabled. And if you don't have the money... Oh, and here we can have like the amount you have too. Something like this. How does it look under the name? Let's find out. We'll say damage here. Damage. And we'll say like 200, something like this. And let's have like X17 buy. I think I prefer this one. Hey Pills, how's it going? I think I prefer the top one. This one looks... Yeah, this one, like the information here is faster for sure. So you can know how many you have, but I think I prefer this other button. All right, we're gonna need to make this object now. And so these need to be yoinked. Oops. All right, how do we do this? Because we just have these buttons right now, but now we need to make like a whole info box for each of these things. We could prefab this, but I think we just send it. I think it's fine. The other thing we can do is we have in here dividers that we could use instead. Instead of having a box, we could just do something like this. Put these dividers in. So I'm curious how that looks. We'll call this divider. Add sprite 2D. I just want to see how this looks. Something like this. Oh, we need to change the import on this too. Yeah, there should be a project setting for this. Import. Import. What? Maybe not? Did visibility import? What is the thing for this? Real texture? Texture. It's texture settings. Texture. There we go. Linear map. And now we change this to linear. Oh, wait, it should be nearest, right? Yeah, nearest map. My bad. Wish you could help with the game like Aries does, but I don't know if that's with coding. That's okay. It's okay. If you're just here hanging out, that's more than enough. No, you're keeping me company. I appreciate it. So instead of having the boxes, we could just use these dividers. I think I like that better. How do these look? Pretty good. I wish there was a way to tell the thing that I want to move, specifically this object. Because if I go to move it, like grabs the wrong sprite. Really annoying. If I put them first in the list. Does it let me do that? Yeah, okay, so it's a list ordering thing. Something like this. Text here should just say by. And I'm gonna change the font too. Theme. Wait, yeah, fonts, load, assets, font. Oh yeah. I'm listening and trying to learn. I have no connection to any sort of coding, so you're not like, yeah. No worries. I maybe am not the best person to learn from when it comes to game design, especially because I'm still pretty new to it as well, but we're all just learn together, you know? Yeah, Aries and like Ubar and all of them are very, very talented. I'm glad they are here helping me out. They have been invaluable so far, and I appreciate them. Something like this. How does that look in-game? Shop. Hey, we're missing something. Why didn't you come with us? Oh, because you're not actually in the shop, hey? Let's make a parent object for all the random dividers. No. Call this dividers. I'm really worried about when I change the resolution, what this is gonna look like, but there we go. We have a purchase button here, not bad. This text needs to be bigger though. Yeah, bigger text. Scratch is really his programming language. Blocks and yeah. Yeah, I like Scratch a lot. It's like a very visual language. It gives you a lot of like immediate feedback, which is really, really nice when you're starting out. And like it can visualize a lot of things like lists and like loops and stuff like that in a much easier way than like just looking at the code or something. Scale maybe? No. I want the font to be bigger. Oh, font sizes. How about that? Font size. More. More. Oh, it's starting to scale the button now. Alright, that's probably good. Zoop. Bye. It's working. You have a gift for me, you'll post it on Discord. Whoa. I like the spaghetti and meat question. I also, weirdly enough, like it when like people in chat are talking to each other too, and not just like directly at me, if that doesn't sound too weird. Because it feels more like everyone's kind of... It's less of a like one-sided conversation then. Or it's like more of a community-sided conversation, I should say. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Words are hard. I'm very tired today. I did not get very much sleep last night. You understand what I mean? Thank you, thank you. I was worried I sounded crazy. Put this here. Change this to shop text. And rich text. We'll call this... What button? What are you? Maybe I should have these things in a class actually. Yeah, I should. I'm just moving this around. This will break stuff, but that's okay. We're at 25% overclocking. Yeah, that's me today. I've not done much. I went out to get breakfast. I went to the arcade and played Sun Voltex, and then I got lunch, and now I'm here. That's like all I've been able to do. I was supposed to like go fill out forms and go to the bank and run errands, and I just didn't do any of that. I just came home. I was too tired. Still have to do like laundry later. Hopefully I have enough for that. We'll see. Node 2D. So I want something like shop. What do I call this? Call this shop option. Yeah. I think about putting the buy button a little more on the left. I completely agree with you. The thing was a little whack. Okay, so I can put this in here. And then I add a child node for text. Rich text label. I'm gonna prefab this. What? Hey, chill. Which text label? No. Let's go underneath. Put this here. BB code enabled. Font size equals, we'll say 25. Be left aligned. Theme, wait. Font. Font. Where is font? Theme overrides, there we go. Load. That's font, same font as everyone else. And then, what is this? There you go. Add a channel to share bits of code. Yeah. Yeah. Can you put it in? I guess that's not really like a show your stuff thing. Here, let me make a new forum channel. Yeah. Code snippets. There you go. Oop. I have made a forum style channel for you. Something like this. Oh, that's way too tiny. Oh, that's too big. And I don't need the word upgrade, hey? And probably a space here. Something like this. Even a little bit bigger, actually. Hey, Blitz, how's it going? How you been? And the last thing we need is the divider. Or not, or it won't let me. Interesting. Like this. Yeah. Like that. We're getting there. Looking pretty good. Thank you. And then we need the price right here, the cost, and then how many you have. So this needs 2 more things. Rich text. This is the upgrade name. So option name. Hey, quit that. Like that. This is going to change to buy button, like that. Divider. And this is the price. This, put that here. Go to enable. Do font size, I don't know, slightly smaller, 35. Like that. I think the name will probably be Break Invaders. That's what I think it was Machined Heart suggested. Yeah. Oh, I didn't put the actual name. Oh yeah, Break Invaders. That's so far the best name. I like that one. It also very symbolized, very much comes from where this game was inspired. So it all works out. Oh, Blitz, you went to the doctor? I'm. You had a case of a certain disease that I've seen going around. That's really unfortunate. Yeah, maybe not Lockball Horizon. As good as it is, and it does fit with how the scaling works. It is a logarithm. Hey, Break Invaders is cool. Oh, I'm glad you think so. Thank you. I don't know why I'm saying thank you. It wasn't my idea, but I'll take the credit anyways. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's so expensive. Theme overrides, fonts. Wait, no. Load. Is there a way to set? There should be a way to set a project-wide font, right? Something like this. And this should be aligned like that. Probably centered too, no? Yeah. Something like this. These need to be on the same, like, horizontal. No, don't give it to him. Don't say Ligma. You're gonna get got. I've had natural lock. It writes itself. It's so good. Oh, we need to write a function for like turning everything into scientific notation too. We'll get to that when we get to it though. Last thing we need is amount purchased. So amount purchased. Oh, use sigma notation? Okay, okay. By the way, how's Candace doing? She's good. I think she's all right. We went to Wendy's the other day together. Sigma notation, geometric sequence. It just gives you the nearest sequence number of the nearest Fibonacci number. It's so intuitive. How could you not understand what's going on there? Come on. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I messed up. I messed up. It's okay. I'll fix this when it becomes a prefab. Let's finish. Something went wrong. I'll explain in a moment. I was messing with the custom font. Yeah. Assets, fonts. Just use this for everybody. Save. And restart. Oh, bye. Hello. And we're back. When we prefab this, we need to move it so that the center of the transform is centered in the prefab. Right now, everything is transform is adjusted relative to this node here. Like the shop option node actually exists up here. It needs to be down, but we can fix that in a bit. It's not really that big of a deal. Now we should be able to do font size equals 45? No, 15, 25, 35? And we'll say X 10, like that. Something like this. So this is what the options will look like. Check the Discord. What is this? Simple way to make quick lines without needing to draw precise lines in art softwares. Scaling as images can make lines be of wrong width and cause issues with the component. You can always have control. I'm gonna show the Discord real quick. Wow. Don't leak the left side. There we go. What is this? Does this work for like scaling up? Dude, we've only been going for a little bit. Why is there more ads already? Why? Why ads? Why ads? I'm sorry. So does this work for scaling up like images linearly so that they don't... Is it like fix this thing going on? Where like the top part doesn't scale as well as the other parts? That neon ball called sun. Hey? Oh, you've been in the basement for so long. Stay in the basement. The outside world is scary. That's where all the people are. It's terrifying. Get out of there. Don't go. Stay inside. Make games. Oh, right. Yeah. Everything is going to be broken until I finish making this prefab. Right, what are you mad about? Changing the Z index of a control element only affects its drawing order, not the input event. I know. That's fine. That's okay. You're good. I reset this? What happens if I reset this? Nothing? Okay. Instead of this image, you just need to make a collision shape polygon 2D of a rectangular shape. Oh. I maybe still don't understand. I'll have to mess with it. I'll have to play around with it, I think. Not totally sure. Do we have a Discord server? We do have a Discord server. You want to join it? Yeah. I fixed the other invite. The other invite invited you into the voice channel, which was like a heinous crime. So now it doesn't do that. You scale up the image of the rectangle. The top and bottom sides get wider while the left and right. Oh, perfect. Okay, that's exactly, yeah. That's exactly what we were looking for. I think for these ones it's okay, but I'm definitely going to use that in the future. So I don't have to like mess with the sprites in GIMP or something. Thank you. You're welcome. Don't be a menace. The mod team so far is me and 2 people that live in the States, so there's some like real gremlin hours that exist. You joined? Welcome, welcome. Thank you. Hope you enjoy your stay. Okay, let's prefab this. Yippee! A branch as seen. Is there anything else we need here? Oh, we need the script too. We can do that after we branch. We'll call it shop option. Put it in prefabs. That. And now we can edit the scene. Now we can set the transform on everything to be in like the correct place. Add a brief instruction on how to use it. I appreciate it. I will check it out. I might wait till off stream so I don't have to like troubleshoot through something. Yeah, I gotta. I'll take a look for sure. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. That will be used in future projects for sure. She could stay for the whole stream, but I can only stay for 4 minutes because I need to go study. I'm sorry. Oh, you have exams? Ugh, gross. Good luck on your exams. You got this. You got this. And yeah, get out of here. Go study. What are you doing here? Unless you're studying game dev, in which case, you know, you'll pass. We're manifesting it for you. You'll pass. You got this. What are you studying for, if you don't mind me asking? Something like this. This doesn't feel very centered still. Oh, it doesn't really need to be like perfectly centered though. If I look here now, so if I save this, I go back to this, yeah, it's gonna be way up here now. But then I can take this shop option object, put it over here. It's gonna look real good. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. I'll come back for another stream. Aw, thank you, thank you. Yeah, good luck, good luck. Entry exams to a school. Oh man. One test is in Japanese? Oh geez. Gambatte. Gambatte. Or as people say when you're climbing, gamba gamba. Drop the whole rest of the word. Thank you for the good luck. You got it, you got it. Now when you're done, come back. That can tell us how you did. Okay, so the shop option. Good luck in Japanese. Yeah, ganbarimasu is pretty close translation to good luck. As close as you can get without literally saying the word luck. You could like directly translate it, but I don't think it would make any sense. Yes, good luck, good luck. Yeah, ganbarimasu is usually good enough, or gambatte kudasai, something like that. If you if you really want to yell, you say gambaro. That's like do your best or else, like very harsh version of it. Don't say that to people. I did that accidentally once. It was very embarrassing. Oops, sorry, my bad. Orange with pulp or no pulp? I prefer no pulp, but that's because I like slam orange juice when I'm drinking it. Shop option, yeah. Okay, so we need a couple things here. We need a signal to emit that the thing was purchased. So signal upgrade purchased, like that. And yeah, upgrade purchased. That's actually all we need. And then we need a way to set, so set purchased amount, new amount, or just say purchased amount. And this is going to update the text, the purchase text. So we do purchased amount equal. Actually, I'm going to say new here just to avoid any weird. I don't know how Godot does scoping, so just in case. Just in case. Like that. Purchased amount. New purchased amount. And then we do update purchased text. Find this. Some comments, sets a new purchased amount and updates the text. This one updates purchased text. And its name is, you'll never believe it, updates purchase text. Whoa. What is the name of this thing? It's amount purchased. Okay, so we say amount purchased dot. Actually, let's directly reference this. Children. So we have the purchased text. We have the price. I think those are the only two things that need adjusting. Yeah. So when we ready up, we'll go get those references so we don't have to keep referencing them all over the place. Is amount purchased. Wait. That. You mad about that? Right there. Weird. I don't know why it doesn't like that. We should rename this to purchased amount. Count? Yeah, I like that better. Something like purchased count. Yeah. And then we also have price text. Like that. Equals price. Like that. Cool. Now we got these references. We can set the text on the fly. So what do you start as? Purchase text. Okay, so it's font size 35 and it has an X in front. So we do something like this. Equals this guy plus purchased amount plus string purchased amount, like that. Okay. And then we have a couple more things. We have the other text that we want to update too. So we do sets a new price. This set price, new price. You reacted to the rules in the beta testing thing. The rules thing doesn't work right now. I'm sorry. I don't know why. I added the bot and it's deciding it doesn't feel like working yet. I'll take a look at it again tonight. I don't immediately fall asleep after the stream. Can't resist the temptation to grab your guitar right now? Do it. We'll make some music. Heck yeah, man. You need a drummer, let me know. I play the drums. Okay, let's see. We have price. Price, like that. Make some potential soundtracks. Ooh. Heck yeah, man. Update price. Just strum a little bit and see what comes to you. Updates price text. That. Wait, this should be update price text. Like that. And this will. What does this look like? Font size 35 plus center. This needs to be dot text. Dot text equals plus string price. Cool. All of these things should be able to be controlled by like the parent shop object now. So there we go. You find a good software to actually make an MP3 file out of it. You buy a mixer for your piano and a PC. Yeesh. That's a long shopping list. I think you could probably just use oh, what's it called? It's the thing with the funny headphones thing. What is it? Audio software, headphones. This. Hang on. Headphones icon maybe? Blue? What is this program? I use it all the time and I don't remember the name of it. Audacity, that's right. Audacity is good for that. This program. I would use Audacity. I like Audacity a lot. That's what I used when I used to do like not mixing, but like recording sounds and stuff. I mean, I use GarageBand now when I record drumming, but that was a crazy setup I had. I had like a 12 input Scarlet like examp thingy, and that all went into USB-C, and that went into my laptop, and my laptop recorded each mic individually for each like different part of the drum kit. That was too much. Lily in Discord, by the way. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'll try to get the robot thing working so that way I actually have, especially for the beta testing people, because I would love to send you all stuff to test out. But right now I can't ping you all because the role doesn't work. Hey, Fauji. Is that how you say that? I think that's how. Sorry if I say that wrong. Yeah. Too lazy to write it in keyboard and mouse on your laptop, so I will use my piano. Yeah, that's the way to do it for sure. I mean, if you have nothing else, then like crack up an FL Studio and start hitting some buttons, but it's not going to be the same as like being able to just make music and translate that into the computer instead. It's not the same. Possible, but not the same. But it's a lot of like setup and all that stuff. So good luck. Good luck. Okay. So lots of things. First of all, if we run this, it's gonna break, right? Yeah. Cool. Cool. We're gonna need to basically axe all of this because we don't have these anymore. I'm gonna leave these here, but for the shop option, we need a way to, can we change the name of this node? Because I want to have, now that this is prefabbed, I want to have one for each of the upgrades that we can buy, instead of just having one single button for each of them. But I don't know how to change the name of the node, and we need to change the name of the node so we can like hook these signals up correctly, I think. Maybe not actually. No, we don't. No, we don't. All right. This is gonna get a little messy for a second, but just hang in there. Okay. Let's see. We do prefabs bar shop option equals load. We need a path to the prefab. Copy this. Also, this should be in scripts. It is not a prefab. Okay. There's too many things that are going on here. So we have this thing loaded. So what we can do here is, let's just start with speed. Upgrade. What do we call it? Shop option? Yeah, that's fine. Here we say equals this. This should be lowercase. This dot instantiate speed set text equals speed. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Now we should be able to just pull all these things in when they're prefabbed. And it should work. We can set the, we need to be able to set the text directly actually. The option name. I'm just gonna change up the name. I want to edit this text. Like, where's the script? Hello? Shop option. Why is it lowercase? Attach. There we go. Weird. I don't know why I did that. Let's see. Bar name text. Like that. Equals name. And then we can add something here for set text. And we just say name equals this. Font size 45, and then whatever the actual upgrade name is. And this goes on name.text. Like that. Oh, wait. Come back. What the? Stop that. I have the brain knowledge but 2 T's. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's not the same as just actually just playing music. Valid set index text. Eh? What you mean? In here? Set text. Eh? Hello! I do not know how to read your name. I'm sorry. But how's it going? Welcome to the YouTube side of things. Alright, so what is this? Invalid set index text on base nil. What do you mean on base nil? Where is this? Where's this error happening? What game are we making? We are making a idle game. It's kind of like an idle version of Breakout. I would love to show you, but the game currently doesn't open. What's your whole thing in the game besides being balls? Finish the game. I don't think there is much more of an overall theme. I mean, other than like just a chill game to play. There's no like story or anything. Just something I can finish. It's nil. It's so weird. It's doing that. Why are we in the tile prefab? Go to the shop. Yeah. This is you, right? This is your kid? Whose kid is this? The text on base nil. This is being nil. Why is this nil? This is on ready. So this should be good. Oh, like a title screen or something? That's actually, yeah, that's not a bad idea. I mean, we definitely need like a menu screen, right? At some point. But it'll probably look similar to the graphics we got going on now, to be honest. Hey, Prasath, we are making games. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Why is this set to nil? Game text. The object is here, so it should be able to like find it. At functions. Oh, at function set text. Wait, really? Not text. So it's in this function. What? Does this? Can I just skip this? It's still coming out nil, huh? Oh, it's rich text label. What the? What? Hang on a moment. I think probably right. It's an 8-bit. That'd be fun. Ooh, good luck. Oh, also, the text is broken on these things. Cool. We'll fix that later. Is it possible to make some AI games in Godot? Like something really powerful? What do you mean, AI games? Like, you can put AI in your games. That's what you mean? You can, like, write AI into your games, too, for, like, I don't know, like a 4X game or something. You could code up AI. I think there's probably extensions where you could use, like, ChatGPT or Copilot, too, in Godot. Also, hello, Riot. Or Roy, sorry. Also, you know that someone made a window game in Godot. Like, you play a window, and if you shoot the corner of the walls of the window, it gets bigger, and bosses have its own. But I did see that. That game looks super cool. Let me pull it up. Window game. That's window game's not really gonna work, huh? Shoot. What is this called? Window kill. Yeah, this. It's so silly. It's awesome. It's like a shoot 'em up, but you have to window kill. Yeah. What a clever concept idea. Oh, look, we have like the same graphics. Pretty basic. How many reviews did this have? Didn't this get like this blew up for a little bit, if I remember correctly. Yeah, such a cool idea. Like reinforcement learning? You could, yeah. I mean, GDScript is pretty powerful. It's its own, like, you could, if anything you could do in C# you could do in Godot as well. So you could do like an AI that learns with reinforcement learning. You played it? Good game? Yeah. It looks super fun. I love the like shoot 'em up style games. Made a game in 58 minutes? Ah, no. We've been doing this for a couple days now. Alright. So you say you exist. You say you're rich text label. Maybe I do something like if name text. If you exist, do this. I'm confused why this would ever be, like how we would get to this point without this object existing. That's what I'm confused about. Like, this happens when it enters the scene tree, right? So it should have this label. So why is it that when the prefab is instantiated, that's why we didn't add it to this. We didn't add it to the scene. That's why. Yep. I always forget that one. I always forget this line of code for some reason. Every time, man. Every time. Alright, it should work now. It really annoys me that this is lowercase. Alright. Now it should be able to set the thing correctly. Let's see. Oh, it's over here. Why is it over there? Oh, this one in here is actually... Get out of here. Don't talk to me. We need to set the position of this thing when it comes in. Let's add... Let's add this, like, default looking one. We can adjust the position from there. So... How do I add a prefab? Copy. I want you. Come here. Gimme. Yeah. So I put this here. What is the transform on this? 285. It's like 285, 145. Make it even. Whoa. Go back. 285, 145. Okay. So delete. Now in here, we say dot position equals vector 2 285 145. I don't remember what I said. Let's see. Is that like approximately in the right spot? Yeah, that's pretty close. It's just other games that you've made if possible. Not in any quick way. There's a couple other games I've made that I put on the App Store, but I removed most of them because they sucked. So, yeah, I'm still pretty new to this, to be honest. I'm still learning a lot. Yeah, I don't want to show my other games because they are, they're a little bad. That's okay, you know. Everything I make, I learn a little bit more. One day I'll be very good at this. Then we'll be chilling. I'm probably gonna join like more game jams in the future too, to give me more like inspiration and ideas for making games. I think that's probably the plan. After this, it might be the farm game jam. I want to do that one next, I think. Okay, let's get these numbers out of here. Say positioning shop items. Shop middle point maybe equals, or shop X. Yeah, we'll do 275. See what 275 looks like. Nudge it a little bit. That look more. Nope, that's way worse. 280. No, still not good. 285, 287. Actually, we could use the center point of the screen if we really wanted to, but I think this is okay. And then var shop option height equals, I don't know, we'll say 100 pixels for now. That way I can just add this on to each next option. I don't have to like set each of these individually manually. That's the idea. We'll see if it works. Hopefully it does. Who knows? Okay, so height offset equals 145. So we should be able to do this. Yeah, there we go. I'm planning on making a huge game in the future. I'm not sure yet. I think for now, I'm definitely sticking with like smaller stuff just because making a big game is really hard. And I feel like there's a lot of things I still need to learn, and I would learn a lot faster making lots of small things than I would like making one big thing, you know? When I make one big thing, it kind of feels like I'm all-inning all of my effort on something, and if it doesn't work, like, oh no, right? But if I'm just making small stuff and like the game sucks or I don't like it anymore, it's like, oh well, let's make a new one. No big deal. I don't feel like I lose as much like time and effort. But maybe in the future I'll start branching into like more complex stuff, especially if I get like start working on teams, you know, and it's not just me. I'd probably in that situation I'd probably lean more towards making like larger scale stuff. Set price, we'll start with 10. And set. Actually, it should just start at 0 purchased. Now that I think about it. Where is this? Where are you? Where? Show me yourself. Purchased amount we'll set at 1. And on ready, update purchase text. Okay. From today, I don't know why, but I'm giving people some tongue twisters. I'll be happy if you try this one. The dog choose shoes. Whose shoes does he choose? Easy, bruh. 7 times, though. I'll do twice. If a dog choose shoes, whose shoes does he choose? Dog choose shoes. Whose shoes does he choose? Easy peasy. Make small games that everyone can play? Yeah, pretty much. That's why I like making for phone, too. Is like, don't you guys have phones? Everybody got a phone. Cool. That looks not too bad. I think I want the middle of this modal to actually be black. Like you can't, like no opacity on this part and opacity on the parts out of it because it's kind of hard to see what's going on here. Y'all got games on your phone? No, not more ads. Ugh. Whatever. We're killing pre-rolls. It's fine. Ame graduated. My friends are losing it, dude, right now. I've seen tears. They're in shambles. Don't worry though. I'm not graduating. I'm not going anywhere. You feel me? For the fallen fairy. To a real one. I'd saluted in real life and I don't have arms. Doesn't work. I can look up. There you go. Tragic. Okay. Last thing we need to do is connect to the signals and also set this programmatically. So for the shop, we're at shop. Gimme. Let's set these programmatically. Yeah. So we have speed, original value, times purchase. We're going to add a new thing here, which is the price. So we're going to say starting price 10 times purchased 0. Original value price. We need a scaling factor, but I don't think that needs to be like set here. I think it's okay. We do upgrade name, speed, like that. I'll capitalize it, speed. And now, with, yeah. Is this be a dictionary? Yeah, it's fine. So what we can do is for key value in this guy, and then we map all of this stuff into the new shop option. So let me comment out the rest of these. We're only dealing with one of these at a time. Should only loop through this one. We say shop option equals this. Add the child. What kid is this? And we'll do all of the stuff for setting up stuff on the option. So we'll do this. Yep. That. Expected in or that for variable name. What you mean? Oh, far. Like that. You happy now? Why? Do you need this? Can you not loop through a dictionary in Godot? Godot loop dictionary. You value pairs? It's time to reincarnate to be Shoujo. I'm in love with you. If I got that call, I would immediately. For key indict. Oh, it's you have to use the actual key, huh? Or upgrade in upgrades. Upgrade info equals upgrades. Upgrade like that. That probably works. No, you're still. Oh, are. You're still upset with me? Why? I'm doing everything right. Graduate and enroll to view Shoujo as the game maker. I don't think they have a slot for that, but the minute they do, we all come together, right? We all ping some people on Twitter. Do it as a team. It'd be cool. I mean, they have people do like media stuff all the time, right? Well, is that a game developer? No big deal. So this can be upgrade info dot name. Have I tried Unity? Yeah, I coded in Unity for a very, very long time. But after their recent announcements and changes, I switched to Godot. Even though they kind of rolled everything back, I just feel gross working in Unity now. But no hate on people that do it. It's a really good engine, and I really like using it. But I just can't get myself to do it after the latest changes. No crash. Look at that, it's working. This button needs to be a little bit bigger. The text is a little small. Let's edit the prefab. Top option. You get over here. Something like this. And I scale up the font size. Font sizes there. Something like this. Yeah. How's that look? Show me. Yeah, I need this panel to be like dark. The modal is close, but it's not quite enough, I think. What happened to Unity? They basically announced that, so out of the blue, they announced that they want to start taking a cut from developer revenue in a way that was like very antithesis to how developers make their money. So they basically said, we're going to start charging people per install of your game, like per install of the Unity engine. We're going to charge the developer for that. Which puts people in like a weird spot where now you want to sell your game, but you don't want people to install it. Like it gives this really weird, like perverse incentives on the developer. So everyone was like, hey, oh, and also it became possible to make less, like to owe Unity money after selling your game. So like if your game was $1 and someone downloaded it and installed it on 5 different devices, those each would be charged to you. And there's a possibility that like you would end up owing Unity more money than you got from revenue after like Steam took their cut or whatever. So everyone was like, hey, this is a really bad change. And the CEO, like the media team for Unity first said, oh, it's not that bad, you guys just misunderstand. And then later, like after they got way more feedback and a lot of people like vowed to never use the engine again, they did roll everything back, and now they're just going to take like a percentage of revenue from developers instead. But the fact that they changed stuff on the fly and like weren't listening to developers on the original announcement and stuff, and just like pushed this thing forward and revoked everyone's licenses, or like the license agreement that says every old version, like every old license version is still valid, so you could opt not to upgrade and not have to deal with this. But yeah, it was really crazy. Yeah, it was really bad. What's the game called again? Break Invaders. Today I'm joining you, and if you will make a team in the future, I'd love to give it a try. For now, I'm super new to game dev. I'd use Blender so I can animate. Ooh, yeah, Blender people, huh? Yeah, I want to make games together, like as a group, especially for game jams or something. It'd be really cool to team up with people from like the Discord and make games together. We can submit under Team Skygray or something. That's crazy. When did that happen? September 12th last year. About. It was crazy. Lots and lots of people were upset, justifiably, and I seriously think it's one of the most like damaging things a company's ever done. Crazy. All right, making the file name that. Oh, file name for what? Well, this is working. I need to. Okay, let's darken up the shop background. It's no good. GIMP. Shh, okay. Okay. I didn't see anything. I take it back. I know what you're talking about. Okay. Open. This thing. And I'm gonna make the center. Oops. I'm gonna make the center dark like this. Export as shop outline. We're gonna call it shop outline dark. Because when we pull up this menu in game, it's hard to see what's going on behind it. So I'm gonna make it dark. I need the inner one, the inner sprite, to be shop outline dark. This. Yeah. So now when we pull up, yeah, that's much easier to see what's going on. And you still have like the modal parts, you can still see the background. That's good. Yeah. If I could popularly remember the guy with the tease nut just jokes, I'll never forget you. Or like 2023 or 2022? It was 2023. It was like 6 months ago or something. Oh, it was 4 months ago. And I forgot. That's right about when I moved to Japan, so it's felt like 10 years. In a good way, but in also a stressful way. Okay, this is working. We just need to hook up the signals, the last part. So we go here. Where are you? Where's the shop? Last thing we do is hook up the signal. Shop option dot. What do we call this signal? Upgrade purchased. Where are you? Shop. Dot upgrade purchased. Dot connect. And we will put the function in here. Upgrade info. Purchase function, like that. And what we can do here is equals. We're gonna find it to be ball screwed up. This. Yeah. And now, if everything is working correctly, we can click this. We can click this. We can close, and it should speed up. Gonna work? Doesn't look very fast. Buy it a ton of times. I know. Is it gonna be on mobile? Yeah. For sure. Is that faster? I can't even tell. I'm gonna click it like 100 times. More. Oh, no, this signal isn't hooked up. I just remembered. We need the button. The buy button. Buy button. That. Equals buy button. And dot connect button down. Press? It's pressed. Dot connect on purchase, like that. And all this is gonna do is emit the upgrade purchase signal. Dot emit, like that. Now it should work. Or crash. Didn't crash. That's a good sign. You need the highest score on this? Do a leaderboard? That's really... Wait. That thing's kind of cooking. A similar game engine that's similar to Unity? Unreal Engine's really good as well. Also, like, Unity's okay to use now. It's just something that I personally probably am not going to use. Yeah, Unreal is very similar and is really, really good. A lot of popular games are made in Unreal, actually. Let's see. Games made in Unreal. Arc Ark was made in Unreal. That's crazy. Fortnite. Yeah, tons of good games are made in. And it's pretty similar to Unity. It's good for 3D. Sweet. We have a single working. Oh, these numbers are. You're not supposed to be here. I might do a leaderboard, but leaderboards are really hard. You have to do like netcode and run a server and all that stuff. We'll see. We'll see. Probably not for the base game, but in the future, if it gets really, really popular and people want it, do a leaderboard. There's some EC2 instance up that keeps track of scores or something. Then you have to do like anti-cheat too. You can do a local leaderboard. Compete against yourself. Let's see here. What was I thinking of? There's something. Oh, the text. The text for some reason is poking through the sprite. It doesn't make any sense. I think it's yeah, the numbers are poking through. They're overlapping. I don't know why. I think it's due to the Z levels. Can I put the shop? Can I just do this? And it fixes it? It'll be above the tiles now. That made it worse. What is going on? Oh no. Hey Anna, how's it going? Let's put it here instead. Hey Miles, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Sorry if you were lurking and I called you out. Continue lurking as if nothing happened. Okay, okay. Does this still pop up over? Just the numbers. Weird. You don't have access to your Twitch account? Uh-oh, what happened? That's okay. YouTube is just as good. They're both good. You're allowed to multi-stream these days, so who cares? Watch whichever is convenient for you. No worries. I appreciate you being here. That's all that counts, right? Okay. Yeah, that's so weird that the tiles are still. Can I go down a layer? Stop being here. Go down one. You still gonna be here? It looks like they're getting covered up now. Did I hear about unrecord game? What's unrecord game? Yeah, okay, this is working. What is the index values on the text boxes? I'm not sure. It's in the prefab. I think it's just a weird. I think everything is 0 because I don't remember like adjusting it manually. But I assume it's just 0. Let me check the prefab. What are you? Oh. It's not 0. I'm getting a warning. Yeah, it's 1. Get out of here. Don't do that. Why was it set to 1? I bet this is going to break something. Don't break anything, please. Leave it alone. Oh, looks fine. Yeah, everything's fine. Don't worry about it. Nothing's broken. Everyone's happy. I'll be surprised tomorrow. Oh. It says your username doesn't exist? What? What the heck? Someone like steal your account and change your username? What the? That's very strange. What is this? Oh, this is man. Give me the shop. I want the shop back. Yeah. Okay, so now we should be able to do this for all of our different things. I should really make this not. This should be a list. This should be a list. Yeah. Yeah. This is bad. We're gonna have to change a lot of stuff, but can I do like. How do I make a custom class in Godot? That's what I want to do. Custom classes. Yeah. Like a struct type deal. Like this? Yeah, okay. I can do like this. Are you happy? Yeah, okay. So we'll have name. Wait, how do you do this? Oh, var name. String. Is this right? String? That lowercase? Are you happy? Aren't you happy? Just trying to make you happy. It has to be uppercase. See it on Google or Steam on record. On record, possibly. Okay. Go look for it. Steam on record. Oh, this, like the hyper realistic thing. I have seen this. It's so crazy how real it looks. This is wild, man. I forget how you make. There's a way to do this effect. I don't remember what it is, but I mean, part of it's like shaky cam, right? This is so crazy. It looks so real. Insane. Part of it's this camera shake. Part of it's like the way the textures are rendered in. I think it's like rendered 1 billion times or something crazy. Plus like a bunch of dynamic lighting and stuff. Summer of the day, I decided to be a D's nuts guy with a low view rate and was interesting on what's cooking while waiting patiently on. Back in the old days when I was just a little underground streamer. That isn't IRL, dude. Right? It's crazy. No, that's a real game. It's just a video game. This is what graphics look like now. It's way easier to see in the when there's no shaky cam or motion blur, because like this is not a real couch. It's pretty easy to see. Like, this isn't real. This isn't real. This chair is clipping through the floor. Like I don't even know what this is or why this is here. Yeah, stills do not do this game very much justice. You can see like the hands aren't rendered super well and everything. Shaky cam, lighting, and then like the rendering do a ton. Yeah, lighting and resolution does a lot of work. Yeah, the resolution. It's like the effect where some things are have higher resolutions than other things in the background too. GPU's fearing for its life when it sees this game. Even just running the beginning part, my fan is cooking. Why do we hear a helicopter? Sword Art gonna be sooner than you thought. Put your headsets on. Doesn't Sword Art take place in 2024? Release in Canada. It's 2023. I think like in the novel it comes out on the game comes out in 2023. I mean, VHS horror uses the camera effect to hide the CGI. Yeah. That's crazy, man. It's so surreal. Give it like 10 more years and it'll, even in the stills, it's gonna look like perfectly rendered and all that stuff. I'm excited. I'm excited for future games. It's gonna be so sick, dude. Alright, we can implement more of these now. Oh, I wanted to change this to a class. Let's see. What is this? Purchase value? Oh, wait, cost. Cost is 1. Wait, what am I doing? Cost is an integer. Hello? Oh, wait, what? What is original value? Oh, I see. Okay, upgrade value. Like that instead. That makes... I don't understand what original value is doing. If COVID wasn't weird, we'd have Sword Art Online. that was the splitting of the timelines. You either get Sword Art or you get Big Virus. I'm not sure which one I want, to be honest. Starting price, integer, times purchased, integer, and purchase function. Can you do this? Can I just say any? How do I say this is gonna be weird? How do I... Could you do this? No. Yeah, careful there, Blitz. I don't know what you're talking about, but don't you're on thin ice, kiddo. Careful. Purchase function. How do I need to set this reference. Are functions first class citizens in GDScript? Passing function. If you breathe the air outside, you die? Oh. That's why we make the games indoors. I'm perfectly equipped to survive. What's my favorite games? Ooh, good question. I'm a big rhythm gamer, so my favorite game right now is I play a lot of Sound Voltex at arcades. But like on my PC, I play. That's a good question. It's not JavaScript. Let me pass Annie. Let me do it. Maybe I can like. Ah man. Maybe I can do like a function map here instead. Skill issue. Oh, for the GPU thing, not me. Okay, I thought we were calling me. I was like, yeah, you're right, but I just buy a better CPU. Come on, what are you doing? How do I don't okay, I don't think this is gonna work. I think I need to do this can be the upgrade function map. Osu? I played a lot of Osu. In fact, some people that know me from streaming might know me from Osu, but 'twas a long time ago. It's like college days for me, which actually, or more like high school. I was gonna say it wasn't that long ago. College wasn't that long ago for me, anyways. Would not be surprised if 3070 only handles that game at 30. I wouldn't be either. I imagine everything they've done is like pre-recorded and maybe like what's the like frame warp thing you can do where you like you let the GPU cook the frames a little bit longer and then you record like what am I trying to say? You basically play the game in slow motion and then when you're recording it looks like it's 60 FPS. Yeah, I played so much Osu, dude. After Game Week making go to top Osu player, I was 3 digits for a while. Yeah, so good times. I think I was ranked 700 something at my top. Some very old Osu players might know who I am. I can think of a couple people that might, but have I told you got into rhythm games from Friday Night Funkin'? Really? Yes, for rhythm gamers. I think that game was adorable. I liked it. I like finger DDR. I don't understand why got so much hate. Yeah, I'm 27. 27 years young, right guys? Oh god. It's over. Let's see. Yeah, so we can do okay, this should be upgrade function map like this. And this will map the name to the purchase function instead. Yeah, because I don't think I can pass it here. Oh well. Okay, now I need to make a bunch of these. At export upgrades equals array of upgrade. Okay. What are you mad about, huh? Unexpected identifier class body. No, I'm done. What are you talking about? The class is done. No? You're mad at me? Why? What did I do to you, huh? Why are you yelling at me? Okay. Custom class godot. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't realize you weren't talking to me with the guess. You collateraled me. No. Just like it. Just yeah. What else do I need? Do I need like do I need a what's it called? Yeah, do I need an init? Probably need an init, huh? Name, upgrade, value, starting price, times. Wait, we don't need times purchase. Let's just start this one. Name equals name. Name eh? Upgrade value is upgrade value. Starting price equals starting price. Huh? Hey, how about we spell things correctly? Okay. Easy. Let's play Roblox FNF because all the pieces I actually didn't handle well. And Roblox handled it better? That's interesting. Huh. But But yeah, good. I hope you enjoy your rhythm game adventure. You should play. I don't know if you've ever been to the arcade before, but that's where I go to play my rhythm games now. You have Sound Voltex, DDR, Pump It Up. So many good. Ah, I could go on about it forever. What's wrong with this? I gave you everything you want. What more do you want from me? Why? I'm gonna say times purchase starts at 1. So that way, like, the text box shows x1 at the start. Var. The joys of programming. I love this. I'm having fun. This is good. I'm having a good time. Thank you. Captain Fubar saves the day yet again. How long were we stuck on that? Let's not talk about it. Yeah, don't worry. Don't worry. How's it rolling? Pretty good, actually. I'm changing up the shop to use like prefab stuff, so getting rid of all these messy buttons, changing it to look like this, and I'm gonna spawn a bunch of these in instead, and hook everything up so that you can see the price and how many you've purchased and all that stuff. So it's gonna look a lot nicer than the this. Well, but you get the hit of dopamine when it does work. Oh yeah, that's what it's all about. Actually, the real hit is when like when you just finish and you can just log off for the day or whatever. That's a pair of balls as icons in the shop. Oh, okay, yeah. Kind of buried the lead on that one, but yeah, I agree. Go to the arcade to mash some buttons on Tekken and Street Fighter. Ooh, I like Guilty Gear. That was my game, but that's not really like an arcade game now. I don't think that's more of a console thing. Actually stopped playing rhythm games after some time I got into Osimania. My heart. That's when you got into coding? Oh, sick, actually. Okay, good trade. What was my first game? Do you mean that I made or that I played? First game I played was probably Pokemon. That was like a lot of my childhood was playing Pokemon. When you're in bed and you figure out a solution to a bug. Dude, have you ever had it when you're dreaming? You ever fallen asleep? In your dream, you're at work and you solve the problem and then you wake up and you have the solution. That is the most like surreal thing. I get that all the time. I have no idea why. Made? Oh man. Oh, it was so bad. First game that I made. It was okay. Yeah, I'll draw a picture. This was the first game I made. It was you had a screen and I think there were 6 buttons like this. Or no, there were 9. It was 3x3. It was a 3x3 grid. It was 9 buttons. And there was a timer at the top. And it was when the timer got to 0, it would randomly select like 4 of these to turn green and like 2 of them to turn red. And all you had to do was click on all 4 of the green ones. And if you clicked on all 4 of the green ones and none of the red ones, you got a point. And then the timer would reset and it would load like a new configuration. That was the whole game. It was so bad. Oh man. But it was my first game that I ever made. I made it in Unity. It was fun, but it was so silly. Very, very simple game. Not that this is even that much more complicated, to be honest. I have the solution. It's impossible to execute. Oy. It's worse than you know the solution in a dream, then forget the dream when you wake up. Oh god. That's like actual nightmare. That's you're like layers deep at that point. Yeesh. How would you know them when you actually? You just kind of have the innocence with you, you know. You're like, oh, it was just a dream. Maybe I didn't actually know if I solved it or not. Or you just forget about the dream. You're good. Take a pillow to work. High key. I think that would actually work for me. Oh, I'm really stuck. Let me take a 20-minute nap. Wake up refreshed and have a solution to the problem? I think that would work. You guys stay here. I'm going to take a 20-minute nap, all right? I won't do that to you. Can I show you the game? The code is long gone and it's been removed from the App Store. So unfortunately, no. And even if I could, I would not. It was so bad. The game updated in the update frame, not in the like fixed update frame. So if you had a faster phone, the game would get progressively harder than a slower phone. I was learning everything. It was so bad. Had a time when I was stuck on a subject and woke up like, dude, exactly, yeah. You just wake up like in the middle of the night in a cold sweat with the solution to the problem. You have to immediately like write it down or something. I actually started keeping a notebook by my bed for that exact issue. Cite your source. It appeared to me in a dream. My source is I made it the fuck up. Oh man. You think it's the same game, but as an F1 reaction game, as the light will go as fast as you can have to start. Oh, like the Christmas tree thing in F1. I'll be honest, like it was fun, but it wasn't novel. Yeah, fun, but like that game's been made 10 billion times and is just like a little idiot baby project. But like I said, I really like making it. What error am I getting? I just have to. There's a lot of syntax stuff I have to change. First, though, I should be able to add stuff to the shop dynamically now, no? Now that I have an exported variable? Where are you? Where do you live? This thing. At this export var. I should be able to see upgrades here, no? Is it? Node? History? How does this work? I don't remember. How did I do it on the other thing I did with the color? Yeah, you. Tiles.gd? No. Where is this? How do I never remember where I put things? This is all node stuff. I swear I know what I'm doing. Got a source for that, Senator? My sources, I made it the fuck up. You guys know the clip I'm talking about? Hold on. Yeah. Strong language advisory.
Senator, nice argument, Senator. Why don't you back it up with a source?
My source is that I made it the fuck up.
Excellent.
Nice argument.
Best video. Hey, Tony. How'd the rest of your stream go, buddy? Welcome, welcome. Did it be at export var upgrades? Wait, what? Wait, what? Really? Probably, right? It was at export. Wait. Like this? Did I miss my walrus? Oh. What the? Speed scout. I clicked on the wrong. Where are you? I still don't see it. Is it because it's a custom class, maybe? Maybe it doesn't like that? So I made a lot. Stop the game. Oh. I didn't realize it was running. I think it's because it's a custom class, maybe. I was hoping I'd be able to do that. Upgrade is a custom class. It's like this list of things. It doesn't work like that? No. I really would like it if it did. So we have to make these ourselves? That's okay. Okay, I will if I have to. You ever thought like when you were starting, I want to learn code, well, I'd be an ethical slash hacker. I wanted to be a pen tester for the longest time because it sounded cool. I just wanted to be able to hack people. And then I learned that hacking is not so much like the thing you see in movies and mostly just like plugging a GPU into something and trying 10 million different passwords while you like go make a cup of coffee, which it's still, I mean, it's cool, but it's not like 17 keyboards and 45 pairs of sunglasses, you feel me? Why won't you die? It's the same game with the meme where the guy's just like punching his abs for like 20 minutes. So sick. Such a useful meme to have on hand. All right, so we're gonna need to do something like this then. New upgrade, and then we can fill everything in here. So we can try just adding upgrade new instead of upgrade. Like this. Wait, do I have to put the arguments in here? Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, we just do this. Social engineering aspect is pretty fun. I imagine it is. Like, that seems like pretty cool to be able to like. I really enjoy that aspect. You basically call people and you're just like trying to ask these weird questions, but in a roundabout way. Like, it feels like when you're sneaking in a video game and you're like, you know, in Skyrim when like someone starts to see you and like the eye starts to open up a little bit. It's like that, but you're talking to people. It's like, hey, can I get the information about this account? And you're like, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Yeah, 99% of the time you just click a button, run a script, see what the results are. Or go to a convention and literally like USBs on the ground. Okay, so we can do this. Speed, upgrade value. This is not very. I don't like this. I don't like this variable. What this is trying to hold is like. Okay, so for example, for speed, it starts as 1 speed, and when you upgrade, it's going to change this value to like 1.1 or something. But I don't like the name upgrade value. It's not. I keep forgetting what this is actually supposed to be. Yeah. Capture the flag's pretty fun. I don't know what that is. Let's capture, like pen test, capture the flag. What is this? Capture the flag cybersecurity. Is this like competitive hack? This is cool. You go grab up and head to bed. No worries, man. Thanks for the raid. I appreciate you. I'll talk to you again soon, buddy. If the game, I'll leave the stream on for a bit. Ooh, paid actor. I'll send you the PayPal later. This is cool. Participants attempt to find text strings called flags, which are secretly hidden in a purposely vulnerable program or website. Sweet. This is cool. This seems like something I would do. Again, I would probably be more of a detriment than a help to a team I joined, but that seems fun. Also, oh no, hang on. I can't. Twitch removed my ability to do the thing I want to do. I was gonna take like a little bit of a break to go get more water, but it won't let me click the add button because it already just automatically ran. God dang it. All right, well, I am gonna go get more water and take a quick break. I'll be right back. I'll leave you. Wait, the game is broken. All right, I'll fix the game and then I'll do that. I'll just not have water for a little bit. It's okay. How do I do this? All right, I'll just keep it as upgrade value. It's fine. And starting price is 10. It. Oh. Okay, so now I can loop through this. Right? Oh. Lowercase. And it should just be able to do upgrade dot name, upgrade dot price, and upgrade dot. Wait. Oh, here we need to do the function map. Yeah. Oh, that sounds like a cool group. Blitz, what's that? Can I make an upgrade interface or general class with an upgrade method and then create a class that overrides that methods with inheritances? That's kind of the idea behind this prefab. Oh, you're saying for like the actual. Oh, you're saying for like the part where I actually adjust the value. I should do that. The way we would do that is like this. Upgrade here we put the logic for adjusting the value. Ooh, that's a good idea. Yeah. So instead of having the shop calculate whatever the new thing is going to be, we just call the class. The class function has this function. Oh, then we need to inherit this class and actually create a different one for each different upgrade. Maybe we could pass in a lambda for this actually. Hold up. Upgrade function. Can I just leave it? And then do, hold up. Upgrade function. Bear with me. Okay, and then here, check this out. We can do, no? I may have actually forgot that I was not in Python for a second. Lambda function, go to callable. Or callable cell. What? Okay, this is about to get crazy if this is the way I want to do this. No, I don't. I think that's too. I think this is too cute. You can do the function here, and then you set, yeah. Var my lambda equals function message. Possible to create lambda functions within a method. Call helped you a lot lately? Maybe it is worth doing that. Can we make a game like AI hide and seek? Oh, that would be interesting. Like, the AI is trying to find you with like reinforcement learning? Back to what you were asking about earlier? It starts to like learn more common spots that people try to hide in or something? That'd be interesting. All right, I do need to get more water though. I'm gonna take a slight break. Here, so you don't get bored. I'll put this on for you. Here you go. Everyone can just, okay, here. Can I full screen this? Yeah, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Have I successfully numbed all of your brains? How are we feeling? Forgot to add the Family Guy next to it? True. Yeah, I gotta have a family clip above the Subway Surfers gif. Yeah, that's content, my guy. Or Minecraft. Yeah, the Minecraft Reddit stories. Just some dude hitting like the most insane clips you'll ever see with like a robot voice reading the most mundane Reddit stories ever. Today I fucked up by going to the store and spending money. Okay. Trackmania? Really? Is Trackmania like the... Is that a thing people put on shorts now? I love Trackmania. I'm absolutely garbage at it, but I love Trackmania. Andrew Tate? Definitely not doing that one. I'm all set. I don't need any more Sigma grind set in my life. Weird sand orbs being cut. Oh, yeah, where you have like... Oh, I was thinking of the ones where you guess the color. That's like the slime thing. The sand orbs, I don't know if I know them. Just an agony he's not getting the one coin over and over again? Wait, which one? You're right, he totally misses it. What are you doing, dude? Look, get the coin. Get the coin, dude. What if it was Trackmania, but it was a race car game with roller coaster like parkour? It's probably Trackmania then, yeah. There's some press forward Trackmania. Some like... I'm looking up the man I shouldn't, but what's the Pinkfields one? What is this? Here we go. It's by Riolu, right? Oh, this is, I guess he deleted the video. Well, fair enough. This is one of the coolest Trackmania things ever. It looks really impressive. It's not impressive at all. But is this the game you're talking about? Yeah, I'll like jump forward to look at this. This is some crazy driving, man. But to spoil the fun, the way these maps are built is such that you just hold forward and it'll automatically hit like all of the jumps and everything for you. But yeah, it looks really cool. If you don't know anything, you're like, oh my god, that guy's schmoving. And they cut a milk jug in half? Wait, what? Just cut a milk? Why? For what purpose? It was like a Fall Guys looking map aesthetic. Maybe it was... Turbo? Was it just... like this? The American flag car. Something like this? Or Fall Guys aesthetic, huh? Oh, Twitch crashed on you. It's because I sent the Twitch bots after you. Got him. The Twitch app assassins. Like this? This is Turbo, yeah. Also a great game. Also bad at this one. Turbo is hard. Ugh. Them cars do not mess around. Can I play the OpenAI hide and seek game in YouTube, please? Because I have a lot of questions to ask. Eh? What's the OpenAI hide and seek game? Split. Then you might do a Duolingo. Get this man. Benkoshimasu. Benkoshimasu. That's not. Let's say you need to study. Benkyosuro. I know how to say that. Hold up. Hang on. You must study? Benkyoshina. No, not Shinai. Study. Unhappy face. It adds it at the end. I don't remember the conjugation, but ignore what I was saying. My Japanese is not the best. I suggest you create the class inheritance is another file, might get long. Oh, for like, if we wanted to do this. Def. Like this. I'm not sure I want to do inheritance, like create a class for each one like this. I think I'm gonna try to do it with the callbacks or callables. Let me look at how these work. What is going? What is an error keep up? All right, let me see. Let me see how these work. Callable, godot. So here's how you'd make something like a lambda function. So we can do this here. We do this func, and then we say whatever our function definition is. So what is going on with this file? Can I? What is your deal? File in use or lacking permissions? Oh, because the game is running, hey? Yeah, it's because the game's running. I was just letting it cook. I'll forget more of the Apex application later today. Your phone is warm. Uh-oh. You ever get the warning that your phone is, like, it says it's too hot to operate? Like, are you gonna explode? OpenAI plays hide and seek is an interesting video about the learning neutral network to search for hiders and hide from seekers. Eventually learn to exploit game physics. Oh, interesting. Is that what you're talking about, Roy? That's, yeah. Do you know what kind of AI? What is OpenAI based? We're talking about AI. That's something I actually have knowledge about, so I might actually be able to talk about. Hide and seek. Let's see. How is it trained? Oh, it's AI versus AI. Interesting. So it's like GAN style? GAN style? Maybe? Yeah. Emergence in the full environment. Was it actually emergence, or are you just trying to sell things, huh? Where's the paper? Show me the paper. Paper. Oh god, RX, here we go. My phone has never done it despite it being the summer. Mine only does it when I if I'm driving and I put my phone for like navigation in front of the windshield, because the sun rays will come down and just cook the phone the whole time. And then it turns off at some point. What kind of network is it? The creating artificial intelligence, self-aware. Yeah. Solving physically grounded task. Don't care. Emergent skill from multi-agent. Is this what you're doing? Is this the thing? Emergent tool use from multi-agent autocurricula. What is this based on, though? What are you? Explain. It's just reinforcement learning. Cool. In other words, not really all that intelligent. Reinforcement learning, basically. Let me double check this just so I don't say something dumb. Yeah. Basically, the way reinforcement learning works is, yeah. It basically, like, you just have a box here. And this is the thing that makes decisions. So this is your decide. It's the decide time box. It has input from the environment. So say, like, in the case of hide and seek, it's like I'm 10 steps away from the person I'm trying to find, right? That is the input. It goes into the decide box. Decide box says, okay, the decision I'm going to make is move away from the player. That's dumb, right? Move away doesn't make any sense in this situation. If we want to catch the person we're trying to seek, we want to move towards them, right? So this output of move away is taken, like this is taken as the decision of the network. It moves away, and all of a sudden it realizes, now that I've moved away, I'm 11 steps. I'm 11 steps away. This number went up. That's bad. We want to say, if this number goes up, that's bad. So there's a something called like a reward function. The reward function here will be negative. It says, hey, you went -1 point, basically. It's like a test. You get -1 point because you moved away from the guy. Don't move away from the guy. So that goes back into the decide network, and it says, okay, now I know if I'm in this situation and I choose move away, I get -1 point. So I'm going to try a new decision. Let's say we move close, right? Instead of moving away this time, we're going to try to move close. Okay, now we move closer and we go back down to 10 steps. Our step count has gone down. So this, got to draw a box here. So this reward function is going to say, hey, we got closer, you get a point. Congratulations, this is your point. That goes back into the decide network, and now it knows, hey, if I'm 10 steps away, I know I should move closer, because if I move closer, I get a point. And I love points. Love getting points. That's basically all it's doing. And then for the things that are hiding, they have like the opposite reward function, right? Where it's saying, if I get closer to something that's seeking me, -1. If I get further away, +1. That's all it's doing. Reinforcement learning is actually kind of boring, to be honest. Like, the real meat and potatoes is what's going on in this decide function. But, I mean, it's literally inputs that are this simple, right? Yeah. Sometimes it'll be like, in the decide function, you have like an actual neural network. So like, the way a neural network works is, in a simple example, you have like one node for every input, and then you have nodes that are basically random combinations of these inputs, and it'll say like, let's say this is A, B, C, D. It'll say take 2 times A plus 1 times B minus C, right? It does something like this. It's really just statistics, literally, yeah. It's actually, it can be deterministic, so it can actually have like the same output every single time. What's the game concept? Get hit with an ad. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'll answer when the ad stops being an ad. I'm sorry. It disabled it. This is the only way I can figure out how to disable pre-rolls, so I'm sorry. Yeah, it's literally just statistics. So in the case where like this node created a bad output, right? This is the thing that decided us to move closer. All it does is goes back into this network and says, hey, this sucks, make a new one. Or jokes on you, I switched to YouTube, but shit, he's got me figured out. So you don't even know what he's doing to earn the point, right? For the most part, yeah. I mean, most AI, like a real AI network is gonna have, if we were looking at that network earlier, those like middle layers, it's gonna have like 1,000, maybe not 1,000, but like 100 of those middle layers. And if you look at any individual node in the middle layers, it's just gonna be some random math. Like, it doesn't make any sense. You can't look at one node and think like, oh, this is the thing that like controls the leg or something. It's all just random. It's all just random stuff. But you put all the random things together, and yeah, your output starts to become like good behaviors. And we don't really know why. We know why. It's because it was trained to do the right thing with points, right? But you can't look at any one individual part and think like, this is why it made that decision. It's all just random stuff hooking up to random stuff. When it comes out, makes a decision. Usually the way it works is that like these have weights associated with each of these. So let's say this weight is like 7 and 5. And if it makes a bad decision, you make the weights go lower. So you'd be like, you made a dumb decision. Now this is 5 and this is 2, right? That's a really simplified version, and there's like lots of different ways that you actually play with the weights. Usually they're actually numbers between 0 and 1, just because it makes the math work out better. That's basically how it works. AI is not as cool as it seems when you actually like learn how a lot of the stuff works. Even like ChatGPT and stuff isn't really all that impressive. ChatGPT does a slightly different thing where it pulls things from latent space. So it's like draw sort of a box. It's the best way I can do this. Say like this is a piece of art and this is a piece of art, or I guess ChatGPT uses text. So this is some text. This is some text, right? There's space in between these texts in this graph. That's basically a combination of these two texts. Like this is text A, this is text B. This point in the center is like 50% A, 50% B. Right, oops, plus 50%. So if you were to ask it, like, if this is cars, and this is like cats, and you ask ChatGPT, hey, what's a cat car? It would take what it knows that a cat is and what it knows that a car is and picks the spot that's like in between the two of them and gives you this result. But instead of just cats and cars, it's every topic you've ever heard of. Are we meant to understand this? Shit. You don't have to. Yes. It's up to you, you know? If you want to understand it, go for it. If you want to just look at me drawing pretty pictures, that's cool too, you know? Yeah, so that's how ChatGPT works. It's not so much the reward function for ChatGPT was actually like humans judging the work that it produced, which is why ChatGPT has this funny thing where it will almost always like over explain everything, because when the human people were evaluating the responses of ChatGPT, they inherently, like as a human bias, selected longer answers. So when the humans were training it, they actually injected their own bias into ChatGPT. Yeah. That's why if you ask it like a yes or no question, it won't just say yes or no. It'll give you like 2 whole paragraphs of reasoning. Even if it's a really simple question, like, is the sky blue? You know, it'll spit out like tons of information. Let's see if I can actually show an example. I don't know if GPT-4 still does this, but hey, I like toast. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Sorry if I was... Sorry if my explanation was muddy. I hope you were able to understand a little bit. Anyway, like, what color is the sky? Look at this. Look at all this. So, oh, it can vary depending on factors such as time of day, weather conditions, and location. During the day, when the sun is shining, the sky often appears blue. You could just say blue. Ask a human this, they'll just say blue. But it has a bias to try to put out as many words as it possibly can. Yeah. Funny things about ChatGPT. Also, it'll always give you a ton of information, even if it doesn't know the answer. So like when it's wrong, it sounds really confident still. It's very funny. What actually is the game concept? It's like an idle version of... It doesn't work. I need to comment these out. It's an idle game, but it's like a hybrid between the like actual idling part is playing Breakout. But you like get upgrades to make the ball go faster or to spawn more of them or to make them do more damage. Right now, it doesn't work. Yeah, let's go. I don't need this. Still no? What? More commenting out? Just make sure everything doesn't work? All right, there's a ton of stuff we have to fix first, so. You answered a lot, thank you. Yeah, I'm glad you did. Just keep in mind it's a lot more complicated than like the simple version. And like, it's not so much one or the other when it comes to AI. Like most AI concepts are a mashup of a lot of the things I just talked about. But from a high level perspective, that's basically what's going on. Actually. Okay, so what was the other thing I wanted to do with these upgrades? When it's out, commented out. There can't be any bugs if there's no code. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna do all of this with a function instead. Hey, Star Potato, how's it going? Welcome back, even though Twitch said this is the first time, unless I'm thinking you're someone else. Twitch says you've never been here before. Oh no, it's just your first time chatting. Okay. Never mind. Sorry. I didn't mean to call you out like that. All right, my bad. I know the name sounded familiar. Purchase upgrade. When we do this, we need to add 1 to the times purchased. Purchased plus equals 1. Yeah. Okay. For this, so this is the function that gets called to update this value. So this is going to be custom per upgrade. So for speed, what did we do for speed? Did we just add one? Speed. We did value times equals power 1.1. Okay, times purchased. Okay, so we did like this. I don't like upgrade value. I'm gonna say value. Yeah. So we do value times equals pow 1.1 times the amount of times we bought the thing. Times purchased. This. So this is the upgrade function. Mad about. What? What's your deal? Identifier value not declared in current. Oh, it's a I can't use the class values, huh? Can I do this? Does that work? I think that works. I think we're good. This should get the reference to the class. Yeah. Okay. Cool. For purchase upgrade, let's see. Okay. Hang on. Set price, shop upgrade purchased connect. And this connects to, oh man. This is getting a little confusing. Don't you love procrastinating? Are you supposed to be doing something, Anna? Instead, you're here giving me a view. Okay, this connects to... Hey, Rohit, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Thank you. This is fire. Okay, this is what happens when we actually click the thing to upgrade the thing. So this function, whatever it does, should A, tell this upgrade you've been purchased. So in other words, add one to the count. And also set the new value. Yeah. Procrastinating for 3 months, but even think I should work on the game. Wait, did you tell me if I don't work on the game, it doesn't get any progress? This is messed up. Did you get a lot of Indian followers? Probably just a time zone thing, yeah. Sir, it's probably just not a lot of other people streaming in like game, or other way around. There's more people watching the game dev stuff in this time zone. Yeah, because I think India's like 2 hours? What's IST time right now? Oh, I forget they do half-hour times there. That's 4:30 there? Yeah, that makes sense. They're 3 hours ahead? 4 hours? 3.5? Yeah, 3.5 behind. The thing that does the other thing, it calls the other function makes it do the other thing. Yeah. Think about it. I don't need this anymore. Oh, I should keep it for the original values. Yeah, I'm gonna remove them one at a time. What the? Yep. What have I done? I was just trying to clean things. Get the setting. This is the thing to update the value. It's 449. That was close. Game dev quiz. What is a game crash? A bug or a feature? No, it's like one of those fake out crashes, you know? It's like you know, in Undertale when they like do a funny crash, like, ooh. Hey, good night, base boy. Thanks for chilling. Guess I'm go sleep. See you around. Do I need to make a new on like... Oh no, what we can do is, watch this. On upgrade purchased. Wait a second, I'm cooking. Hear me out. This should pass in. Can I pass stuff in on a function call like this? It should pass in the option. It should pass in this guy, the reference to this guy. Yeah. Yeah. Watch, and then shop option. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, we're getting there. Does this work? It definitely does. This could be sweet. If it crashes when the game ends and you have not implemented an ending screen, then it's a legit feature. You did it. Get out. There's nothing left for you. Go home. Translate 79 in French, you'll be surprised. I trust you. Like when Virgil hired Virgil's son to save Virgil's brother and kill Virgil. That's a confusing contract. I hate to be the underwriter for that one. Can we use last names, please? So shop option dot purchase, like that. Purchase. What did I call it? Purchase upgrade. How about we just call this increment purchase count, like that. That makes more sense to me. So now it'll show one more. Shop option dot update. What is our thing? Update purchase text? Yeah. Update purchase text. Wait, I'm getting my references confused here. What are you? This isn't connected to the child object. Shop option equals shop option stands here. This is the upgrade. Okay, we need to pass the upgrade and the shop option. This. Okay, we're getting there. It's turning into spaghetti. I think this will look clean once it's done. Yeah. No worries. See, it's the upgrade and the option that purchase. This is okay. Don't worry about this. A game crash is not a bug, but an ability called skip all levels, which skips every scene until the game has no more scenes to skip. Therefore, it closes. Yeah, there's nothing left. It's not a real crash. Yeah, we can always come back and clean up the code when we have the time. I'm sure we'll have the time. No one's ever said that and then didn't have the time. What's legacy code? I'm not familiar with the word. Nowadays in India, we have some coding class in school and I was learning Python. We have to show our work in a very basic. I got home, got to make a calculator. When I was on the test, the answer, like if I enter 2 + 2, it's 22. JavaScript moment. What's 2 + 2? 22. What's 1 + 0? 10. But a string. Okay, so the upgrade. Yeah. Watch this. Upgrade, shop option dot update. What did I call it? Purchase? What do you? Upgrade, update price text. Yeah. Where are we right now? Go back to the shop. Price text. Upgrade. Purchased. Count. Yeah. Shop option not declared. It's right here, dude. I spelled it wrong. My bad. Okay. If everything goes right, it didn't even open. Okay. Well, that makes things difficult. This should just be price, not starting price. Whoops. Okay. Still no, huh? Valid index purchase count. What is your name? Times purchased. I like purchase count better. Purchased count. Yeah. Yeah. Can we get the game to run? Nope. Valid call to function. Expected 0 argument. What? What? No, you don't. Yes, you do. I'd set purchased amount. Who wrote this code? This is garbage. There we go. Still won't open. As long as you don't share the code, no one needs to know if it's messy. Exactly. This is just me. This is just for like a personal project. Why are you guys here? Leave. Don't look. I posted earlier where 16 equals 16 is true. 15 equals 15 is false. Wait, what? I think is it because of the quotes? See, that's why in JavaScript you gotta use triple equals, because double equals is only equals if the typecast is equal, and triple equals is equals if both of the objects are equal. Good language. Yes. Oh, and equals? That's assignment. Refactoring? That's when you just delete things and hope it still works. That's what's refactoring. I think it's like the game where you're meant to... Oh, I just lost the game. God dang it. Not my mistake, you know it was a feature. Exactly. You just lost the game? How could you do this? Oh yeah, gotta love JavaScript. JavaScript. When your job is to keep your code running when other people change theirs. That's JavaScript, baby. Alright, what? I don't remember what the error was. Invalid type in function connect in base signal cannot convert argument 1 from nil to call. From what? Invalid type. So this has to be. Oh. You thought it was spaghetti before. Watch this. Oh. Yeah, we have to bind. Okay. Don't. I just want to see if this works. We have to bind these two things as part of the function call and then pass in. Oh, it's bind v. This needs an array. Just wait. Wait. It'll work. Hang on. It'll work. It'll work. It works. Okay. So, for anyone a little bit confused about what this is, we're creating a variable that takes the function and binds a list of arguments to the function. The list here is the upgrade that we're using and the shop option that houses that upgrade. I don't know about you, but with code like this, I'd probably decide it's time to start coding from scratch. Yes. This is the moment where you're like, you know, it'd be fun making a new game. Make a new game. I'm done with this one. I found out recently that everything in JS is kept in the heap because it's dynamically typed. Wait, what? I love that. Just throw it in there. It's fine. When we need it, let's go get it. What's wrong? There's no issues. Here's how JavaScript would evolve if it had 10 more days of initial development time. Wasn't it made in like a week? Hey, maybe we shouldn't be using the thing that was made in a week. On purchase bound call. But I think this is clown territory, but this will work for all of our other buttons now. Button works. It worked though. It's gonna get worse before it gets better. Version 1 was made in 9 to 10 days. Oh. Yeah, maybe we shouldn't be using it. Okay. Increment purchase count, set purchase amount, and then we set the new value. Oh, wait. We need to... Don't make fun of me. Don't make fun of me. Can I not use this word? Can I do that? Don't do it. Don't make fun of me for this. Okay, we need to... I'm gonna slide one extra argument in here. Just the signal, you know? Just gonna send this guy in here, right? And then we come here. signal dot emit. Oh wait. Upgrade dot, what did we call this? Upgrade function. Oh god. Yeah, we do this, and then what part of this is unclear to you? No, why did the egg hide? Tell me why the egg hide. Game I'm making when I first started learning game dev, and I continued it, so I'm stuck with really bad code. I prefer the reset button option. It's not a it's not a valiant way of coding, but it feels so good. It's like, you know what we're gonna do? New project. Leave all these problems behind us. Can't be as bad as Yandere dev's code at least. True. I don't have the 400 gigabyte toothbrush. Because it was a little chicken. That joke is adorable. That's so cute. The question is, does this run? Does it crash when I click this button? Yeah. Yeah, of course it does. Yeah. Non-existent function, upgrade function, and bits. How do I... This is a callable. How do I call a callable? It's not something I thought I'd ever say. Oh, it's .call. What am I doing to this beautiful language? Why am I hurting it like this? It doesn't deserve this. Yeah. Yeah. Non-existent function null. Call invalid call. What? It's this guy. You should be able to call. Upgrade function. This is this guy. Yeah. Why can't I call? Non-existent function null. Callable. We're so far deep, I don't even know what that means. Don't underestimate bad coding. All the code is made to work in such specific situations. But every level I have to make it so janky just for the code to work. You could always restart. Hey Aries, don't look. Hey, welcome in, but don't look. This is a callable, no? What are you? Tell me what you are. Explain to me. Use your words. Just print whatever this is. It's null. Isn't it a lambda? It's this guy. It's you. What? Do I have like a weird scoping thing going on? What's happening? Don't worry about it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it to know. I'm trying to be clever. Okay? Lambda returns void. But this is the callable though. It's not a function itself. This isn't a... The thing I'm passing here isn't a function? Gonna be gone for 20 minutes if you would insult me? I would never. Oh my god. Is he gone? Talk shit. Lambda returns a void. Hold up. Var lambda equals function my message print message. I feel like this is what... Oh wait. Do I need to do... Please God help. Equals this. There's no way that that's... Yeah. Equals... var equals function. No, we shouldn't need this because we're setting it directly. No, hang on. Hey Crystal, how's it going? Don't look at this code. I like Toast is cool. I agree. They're so cool. They're never gonna know I said it. Define some function name, code, and then make callable name. Yeah, I don't think this is it. I don't think this is it. Or is it? Let me see what I'm passing here. When I set the thing. It's still null. It's anonymous lambda. Wait, what? Can I call this right now? Wait. No, I can. Wait. No, this works. This can work. This can work. This can work. What did the ocean say to the other ocean? They didn't say anything. They just waved. Okay. No. This doesn't work. Invalid index. Purchase count. Did I spell it? No, that's the thing. This isn't gonna work. There's no shot. Okay. No. It's just not it. Here's what we're gonna do instead. You don't exist anymore. I'm sorry. Can we apply purchase value times equals 1, wait, no, value equals value times power 1.1 purchased count instead. Everything has the same. First you mix a function and then you call callable function name .bind a.call. Okay, we're yeah. I think I was being too cute. Remember that one VTuber is always streaming on Minecraft and other games? They quit. Which we might have to be a little more specific. I would love to stream Minecraft though. I love that game. I think we're gonna put a server up in the Discord pretty soon. I gotta talk to Blue Phoenix and one other person who said they were cool. Oh, I think it was Aries, yeah? Yeah. Soon. Soon. The problem is I want to like set this function to be different for each of the different upgrades. And I don't know how to do that in a clean way. We could do the overload version, or not overload, but like the implement a custom class for each one. I guess that's effectively the same as actually writing the lambda. Yeah. We should just do it that way. Okay, we need a new. Put this in scripts. New scripts. All this upgrades. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here. We're gonna yoink this and take the whole thing. What did one ocean say to the other ocean? Nothing, they just waved? Am I in the deja vu realm? Did I guess correctly? What is it? This goes in here. You don't want to say you told me, but nah, you were totally right. I should have listened. But sometimes you just gotta gotta let people make their mistakes, you know. The real lesson learned was to listen to Anna on the first time, you know. Pass. So then we can have class let's see, speed upgrade extends upgrade upgrade, and then we can say for this init it actually sets all the values for us. So it says, how do you do the parent class? It's the equivalent of like super. Godot super. This. Super is used to call a parents class method from within a child overriding method class. Yeah, how do I use it? Explain. Super. So we can do this. We can say name is speed. Value value is 1. Price is 10 to start that. Why not code our own Minecraft? Just from scratch, yeah. The best peanut butter comes from... I'll be honest. I was just reading it. You almost got me with that. Oh. I think... I think the function of being able to D's nuts me goes up as over time as the stream continues. Your optimal time to strike is about 2 minutes or 2 hours 45 minutes in. Especially if I'm stuck on something. That was close. Close. And then here we say apply purchase. This one is going to say value equals value times 1.1 time plus the purchase count. Yeah. It's, I guess it makes intuitive sense that like you start with 1. Yeah. Wow. Man. This looks so much cleaner than whatever the hell I was trying to do. I should have started with this. Someone should have suggested doing something like this. Why did the programmer quit his job? Because he was overworked and burnout is real. And the boss said, I'm going to need you to work really hard on this project. But then, you know, I promise after this, it's going to get easier. And that's... Guess what happened after the project? Nope. Nope. Guess what didn't get easier? The job. Oh no. I guess we can say... how do I import this? Import? Import file and go. Import file. Go. Oh, because he didn't get a raise? Oh! Explain it because I don't get it. Mine was maybe too realistic. Mine was why I quit my job. Okay, how do I... No, import file. Class, go. I just want to import the, like, script. Yeah, sure. Import like this. Function in it. No, that's not what I want. I have to do a class name? Yeah. Yeah. How do I need this? Give me this. Don't know what I'm doing. Let's just import, no? Oh, const equals... Do this. Upgrades equals... Import? Like this? Is this gonna give me what I want? Maybe? Oh. What upgrades import? Like that? Function import is not found in base self. Does it load? Maybe it's like the one I was literally using right above. What am I doing now? Because you're out for a second? We just made a class to do all this stuff. So now every class just extends the upgrade class and has its own apply purchase function. Much easier than whatever the heck I was trying to do earlier. But now I need to import this. But I don't... It's not a constant expression. Var? Like this? Are you happy? Can I do this now? Dot speed upgrade dot new? Perhaps? Does that work? There's no way. Of course not, it crashes. At the beginning of upgrades, scripts as extends node 2D. Yeah, no, it's just a class. Like, it just holds information, it's not a node. So it should be able to do grade.apply purchase. Like that. One time? Spell wrong. Spelling is hard. One time? Certainly taking your sweet time with that. Hang on. One time? Crash. Oh, it's because I spelled it wrong. Da-da-da-da. Let's see. Apply purchase. There we go. Back to the shop. This guy. One time. One time. One time. One time. Yay! And when I close the shop, does the thing go faster? Please? Oh, it doesn't move at all. Huh. Now, that's pretty interesting. Cool. It breaks everything. Thanks for the knowledge you gave. Great time with you. When will can do... Oh, yeah. I go live at 6 p.m. JST every day. No, most days. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sundays. 6 p.m. JST. Sorry, my brain is a little cooked from whatever function madness we were doing. I'm not setting the value? Really? Value here? You're right, I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. Signal emit. New speed? You've sent the class but not on the ball itself, I don't think. Let me check here. What is this? What are you? Explain yourself. Yeah, let me touch nothing and make sure it still works. Okay. Only after I buy something it breaks. Okay. Now the next one. It's 0. Also it did it 6 times. Why is it 0? Might be because something weird's going on with the math. Top option, no upgrades. Value. It starts as 1. And then apply purchase value times power 1.1 times purchase count. And this goes up by 1. Why? Okay, first of all, this should be one function. Like that. It shouldn't be the responsibility of the shop to do both of those. I should just do that. What if apply purchase instead of apply purchase? Oh, because I can't spell. You're right. Oh. Someone's just solved the problem. Okay, thanks, bye. Aw, see ya. Thanks for hanging out. And back, thanks for the compliments, I hope. We said you were very cool. Oh, I mean, we didn't say anything. Shh. Hey, maybe if I spell things correctly. What if I just spelled things correctly? Would they work? Perhaps. One time? Nope. It's broke. Is it value equals value times 1.1 to the power of 2? That's not 0. Why do you hate me? Explain. Value is set to be 1. What the? Does this start as 0? Put a print here? Oh yeah. It starts as 0. What? Really? I'm like pretty sure it's 1 though, no? Is this a scoping thing? Hold on. Name, value, price. Name, value, price. Scoping? Scope issue? Oh my god, it is. It works now. Yep. Yup. Also, this should be a float. Yeah. Oops. Nope. Yeah. This. Man, that kind of is like a feel bad about GD script that it works like that. It shouldn't take the inner scope like that. There we go. I think it works now. Yay! Scales up a little fast though, actually. Let's say. That's why we have this. Wait, like this? Or self, I guess? Should do what I do. Misspell functions, accept it using variable names such as character and character. I just spell it however I spell it, and I hope the autocorrect can get there. You can use curve as last time, as I told you, and make a speed progression curve. I would, but then I would have to convert this over to a node, and these are all gonna have different like things attached to them, so I'm not sure it really needs a curve, because it's doing like the exact same thing anyways, right? Especially if it's like an exponential curve. What's your favorite code editor? Mine is Word. I actually just prefer pen and paper. That's my favorite. It's really convenient. You can even do it offline. Like, you can do it without your without power. Like, name another code editor that can do that. You literally can't. Impossible. It's so good. You can take it everywhere too. Maybe it's overthinking that. I think it's a good suggestion. It's just like for this one thing, it doesn't apply, or it's not the way I want to do it. But it doesn't necessarily mean it's like a bad suggestion or something. Assembly punch cards. There we go. Yeah. Wrote code in IT exams when I was in high school. Most of my IT exams were also like pen and paper, which makes no sense. Favorite code editor is Twitch chat. Twitch chat, code editor. Yeah, you type some stuff. Sometimes they put it up on there. Sometimes they don't. It's crazy. You wrote it on paper. Yeah, I had to do the same thing in college. Makes no sense. And then they would type it in and run it. Like just let me type it. Why? This is worse for everyone. Prefer ancient hieroglyphics as your code editor. That's good. Very symbolic meanings, you know. It's very very semantic coding. Okay, we can do other upgrades now. Oh my god. The world just opened up to us. Hang on. How fast does this scale up? 1.01. That's still really fast. It needs to be even smaller? It shot so fast it tunneled through the first 2 layers. Let's zoom in. 1.01? Maybe, yeah. Oh, wait, no, this should just be this. It shouldn't be multiplying by the value again. You're gonna head out? Take it easy, Shaquille. Thanks for hanging out. In order to find you if you need help. Yes. That's the trick with being a tech streamer is everyone in your Discord is going to be smarter than you. Okay, this is much more tame. Yeah, this doesn't scale like crazy fast. Okay, yeah, I was re-multiplying the value, so I was actually doing like scaling way too fast. Cool. Ignore this. I'm just coding. Well, true. Application quit. I should use that. That's good. It's good. No bugs. Application just closes immediately. Bugs are gone. It's so genius. How could I not think of it? What's the next one? Next upgrade we have? What else is in the shop? The shoppy. Oh, the amounts? Okay. Mount upgrade, huh? Upgrades. Class. Mount upgrade. Extends upgrade. Like this. Inits. Super. Mount. 100 for this one. This one's expensive because it's literally doubles basically everything you have. Should the existing vaults have the speed applied as you buy or only new ones? I think all of them should be applied. Seems more logical for only new ones to have modified speed. It's easier for only new ones for sure. But like That might be like it feels good that you buy it and you immediately see the speed upgrade, maybe? I don't know. Maybe not. I mean, they're not going to be around that for that much longer anyways, so might not even matter in the end, but I just scratched the mic. I'm so sorry if that was loud. Oh my god. ASMR ruined. I'm gonna do this. Instead say super plus equals 1. Like that. You're good in the logic part, but the feel is nice for instant change. Yeah, I think you're right. For like, for that one or for damage, like you get the visceral, like, immediate feedback. Was it that loud? I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Check the levels, but it's too slow. Sweet. Should you go faster now? Is that really even that noticeable? Maybe it needs to go a little faster. I don't know. We can mess with these values later. I really like this though. I like how this looks. This text is not centered though. Body background color white, color equals black. Wow, look, your CSS style applied to the screen. That's crazy. Oh, it's purple back. Oh, I see what you're trying to do. Can I give you more channel points? Can I give you another chance? I would do that. No, I can't. Alright, well, rip. Imagine if someone made Twitch chat codes. Who would do such a thing? Who would have like codes or commands that you could type into Twitch chat? That's wild. I certainly would. Those are gross. Okay. Other thing we need to do is have the price update. So on apply purchase, the price needs to increase. How do we do that? Increase price. Like that. What is this function? Great question. I'm so glad you asked. Increase price. For this one? I don't know. How does the price go up? What's the golden ratio number? What's the golden ratio? It's no, I just want like a just give me like decimals. I don't need to be that accurate. 1.618. Perfect. Price. Let's see. What the? Can I increase price? There we go. Price equals floor price times what? Times 1.6. What is it? 1.618? 1.618. There you go. Good enough. Add a bunch of polls with options so the code gets slower. Oh, I didn't read that in the message. Same concept as Twitch chat plays where they can input code and it'll be implemented ID. Wasn't someone just working? Wasn't Arrowx working on a game that literally did that? It was super cool. It was like play RPG with your Twitch chat followers and you like type in commands about what you want your character to do. What's the name of the game? I don't. It was really cool. It was basically that. I think I'm gonna make the shop button toggle open and close the shop. Oh, I should. Yeah, because that's silly. You need to click that button over and over. Yeah, you're right. This will close the shop too, which means this needs to be able to activate on pause too. Okay, lots to do. Another thing I need to do here in the shop is set purchase amount to this and then set price. Grade.price. This. That should update the option value, like the display for the option. Yes! It's working! We need to do scientific notation though, because number big. Also, this thing's probably gonna be cooking. That's not actually too bad. Oh, not a gun, I'm so scared. That's from a really long time ago. I should probably change it to something else. That's Twitch chat plays? Oh, is Twitch chat plays literally an RPG now? I thought that was like the Pokemon thing. My bad, my bad. Okay. Now we just need to do that for all of the other ones. And also change this button and move stuff up and change the text and change the scientific notation and change the tiles to scientific notation. And then we're done. Oh god. I'm going to be making this game for 20 years. How many days do I have left? About 10 days left? 10 days left to finish this. I think we got that. Speed clarity seems kind of whack. A regular user would probably not know what a bunch of numbers is versus like 1.3x. Oh, wait. This is the price. Is that not... Yeah, this is how much it costs to buy the thing. This is how many you have. But now that you say that, maybe I should change this to like have a cost or something. Like add something to the text here. I will think about all of that and more for the next stream. Unfortunately, it is a little bit late here and my voice is expiring. So I have to go. But thanks for hanging out, everybody. This has been another super fun time. This has like been blowing up a lot faster than I ever thought it would. So thank you to everyone for hanging out in the Discord and in chat and everything. I appreciate all of you and for all the code help and everything. This has been really, really fun. I hope I get to do it more. So back tomorrow, 6 p.m. GST. Tomorrow, I might take a break from coding and play some games. We'll see. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, I'll be in the Discord for a little bit to figure out what I want to do tomorrow. Thanks for the stream. See you tomorrow. You guys are too nice. Not being nice. Rest well. I'm gonna drink a punch of water and let my voice chill out for a while. I am not used to talking this much. My friend Arthro is playing Osu. We're gonna send them some love. Hope you guys like Os. This guy. This is another college Osu friend, so we'll go send them some love. Warm water with honey. Literally, I got some tea just for streaming. I bought some tea and I need to get some honey. My voice is always so cooked. Alright, I will see you guys there. Thanks for hanging out. I always forget there's like a 10-second delay. Alright, we're waiting. Waiter. Oh, and yeah, keep an eye out. New emotes are coming. The sky gray wave. Alright, see you there.